Hey, what's up guys? My name is Enrique and I'm Structured Hemi. Pretty basic install. Oil catch can made by UPR products. I'm running out of daylight, so hope you guys could get good lighting. But anyways, pretty much simple. You know, it's a pretty basic install. It comes with these durable, heavy-duty hoses, and they're all pre-cut. You can distinguish the material, but it's sleeved with some sort of material. Continental, made in USA. Damn. 2 of these, pre-cut, like I said, to the size already. So that's sweet. It's already assembled just the way I'm showing it right now. That's the way it came in the box. Usually, or some brands, you have to assemble all these ends here and this frame. But this one comes already the way it is here. Well, that's cool. Came with some instructions like I showed you right now. UPR. Have the picture of even the engine, where to mount it, lower or upper location. It supports the 5.7, 6.1s, and the 6.4s. So, and I got the instructions in the bag. So, in case you guys need those. And this is a screw that comes with it to mount from the oil catch can to the block with the spacer on it. It's a half-inch screw. A female ends, I believe. Same ends on both sides. In. And this is why I actually made the decision on buying it. It cost me about 120 bucks. It's a little on the pricey side, but not too bad, you know. You get for what you get what you pay for. So I bought it on Amazon. Amazon is where I got it. And let me show you what these do. Check these out. Okay. So it gives it a nice clean look at the end, you know. You put it on the other side as well. Check it out. Bam. This is how it's gonna look. Is that clean? Solid. Sauce. So that's what these are for. All you're gonna need is a flathead, or if you have a impact drill, you can use that. But if you don't have one, you can always use a flathead screwdriver. There's 3 screws, 2 close to the filter box, and then 1 close to the throttle body. So that's just to remove the intake hose or intake housing. Okay. If you have an impact drill, the size of the socket you're gonna need is an 8mm socket, and then of course that 1/2 inch. That's what you guys about as well. To get done a little faster. So that's all you guys are gonna be needing. And this is just the final product right here. Bam. Hopefully it helps out somebody out there, you know, somebody that might need help in getting this done. So somebody that doesn't know anything about cars or about installing your own upgrades or your own modifications. I don't know too much, you know. I know what I know through my experience, but it's enough to get me by, you know. And I'm learning as I'm going. I'm moving and grooving. So yeah, this is all it comes with right here, and this right here, mine. And if you guys like it, well, share it, subscribe it. But I still got to get it installed, so I'm gonna be showing you guys that. All right, guys. I think I'm recording. I'm back here to try to get this oil catch can installed again. This UPR oil catch can that I bought at Amazon for 130 bucks. I know I showed you guys already how to do what comes with in the package, or how it comes for that part, the oil catch can from UPR. But I'm going to show you guys just how to assemble everything else out, the lines and everything else, to get it kind of an idea of, I guess, of what it's going to look like. So we're going to be doing that today, and hopefully we could get it going today. So there we go, guys. Back at it. So these are the hoses that I had showed you guys. I was with it. I'm going to assemble these. You guys have an idea of what they're going to look like, and they're just ready just to grab and install. So these here are the end bushings that I talked about. There's 4 of these. Trying to get into the halfway point. For the oil catch can, like I had said earlier, I don't know if I told you guys or not, but it goes like this. You gotta put the screw in first and the spacer goes on the other side of the door, so just like that. Bam. Alright guys, the drill out of here. 1/2-inch socket and an 8mm socket. So let's get it. Alright guys, I don't know what happened. I wasn't recording after I put that first holes there, connected there to that one. So I'm gonna explain to you guys. I was trying to remove it again, but it's really difficult to kind of remove it because they're gripped in there. The threads on those ends that go inside here into the oil catch can, the way in is sliding easy, but to get out they kind of hold it in. So this is what it looks like. So it goes from here, the longer hose goes from there to all the way to any other end. In this case it's going on this side here. This is what I recommend. Got a little slack down here, but I just kind of put it against the manifold here. Just like that. And then the smaller one, of course, on the other side here. And it goes all the way to that other one here. That clean look with those end bushings there. It looks beautiful, clean. Damn. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Real simple. Oil catch can. Take that. How it looks. UPR from Amazon. Just another reminder. Alright guys, put everything back, pretty simple. Check out those, go right over here. Over there. So it's back in first. There you go. Press down. So in and down. Good boy. Intake tube in here, and don't forget the sensor here. There it is. All you do is tighten these up. That's pretty much it for now. If you guys have any questions, leave them in the comments there. I'm trying to make the videos the best as possible as I can. I'm not the greatest at doing this. Is my first time, so it's all try and error. So I am trying to figure all this out with the recording and what I need to to get my camera maybe a little further or closer in so you guys can see everything that's going on. But the whole catch can's right there. It's ready. That's pretty much it for now. If you guys suggest anything else for me, then let me know. I'm here to learn, and it's a journey, so let's do it. All right guys, peace.